So you are wondering which iPhone should you get, iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro? Well, today I'm going to be providing you with all the details that you need to know so you are able to purchase either the iPhone 13 or the Pro. With the new lineup for of the iPhone 13, Apple has brought up a lot of new changes for the iPhone. Now we have the A15 Bionic chip, longer battery life, and of course, an improved camera and new color options across the whole entire lineup. So I know you're sitting there wondering which of the four I should choose, but today we're just going to be focusing on the iPhone 13 and the iPhone 13 Pro. Why? Probably this is where most of you are going to be trying to make your choices for several reasons. One of them, what is different or what is similar between the two type of phones, and also does the price make you want to choose to go in $200 less or go ahead and pay for the iPhone 13 Pro, which is $200 more. So welcome to Technique. So if you liked how that sounds, hit that like and make sure you subscribe for more Techniques video. All right, so let's focus right now. One of them is the iPhone 13 comes at $799. The Pro is at $999. So there you go. Those are two big differences. That's about $200. Now let's move on into more. What is similar between these two phones? So you guys know what you're getting if you were to choose either one. Both of the phones do have Face ID authentication. If you are into using your phone with that type of feature and you are worried about having your phone stolen and all your information is there, just want to let you know both type of phones have that feature on them. Both of them also have the A15 Bionic chip with new 16 core neural engine. What does that mean? It means that your phone practically is a lot faster than the iPhone 12 and is going to run and open a lot of things at one time, and you're not going to see no hesitation on trying to open all the different type of applications, screens, Google Chromes, or whatever you're opening. Your phone will be able to handle that. They both also have the sub 6 gigahertz of 5G connectivity that will allow you to connect with your 5G anywhere where you are with better performance overall. It also has 12 megapixels ultra wide and wide cameras with sensor shift optical image stabilization and 2 times optical zoom out for both models. You also are getting photographic features including photographic styles, portrait mode, night mode, diffusion, smart HDR4, and much more. So if you're worrying about getting a good camera, I think either one would be a better choice. Now, if you're looking into spending more into should I get the iPhone 13 Pro or should I get the iPhone 13 Pro Max? I also have another video which you can check it out in the comment section below. Click on that link and it will give you more details about those two phones, their features, just like you're watching this one. So let's move on. Also, you're getting 12 megapixels front facing true depth camera. You're also getting portrait mode, night mode, smart HDR4, cinematic mode in 1080p 30 frames per second, HDR video recording, Dolby version 4K at 60 frames per second. If you are into cinematic modes and love to record those type of movies or even clips like that for either YouTube or any other place that you want to share your videos with, that either phone is going to be able to provide you with that type of technology that you want for that phone. You're also getting IP68 dust and water resistant. And with water resistant, you're getting up to 6 meters for about 30 minutes per phone. About the dust means that pretty much if you are a very active person, love to be in the wilderness, love to go out hiking or even walking, running, whatever it is, this phone will help you out not getting dusty. Say if you just fall, you slam your phone, it falls on the ground, it'll be dust resistant. Can you believe that? That's a nice technology. So the other thing is that both of them are compatible with MagSafe accessories and wireless chargers. So you can purchase any of those. If you want to know more about which accessories you want to get for this phone, check it out. All the links are in the description. So let's keep moving. They're also available in 128 gigabytes, 256 gigabytes, 512 gigabytes storage option. And they also have lightning connection, meaning that you're going to be able to charge your phone a lot faster than the iPhone 12. So there you go, guys. Those are pretty much what is similar in the iPhone 13 and the iPhone 13 Pro. Now, what is different that's going to make you change your mind whether you're going to get either one? So here are the big differences. So let's go first with the iPhone 13. On this one, you are getting an aerospace gray aluminum design, weighs about 174 grams. It has a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display, A15 Bionic chip, but with 4-core CPU, 4 gigabytes of RAM, up to 19 hours of battery life, 12 megapixels ultra wide, and the 1.6 wide camera. It also has a 2 optical zoom out digital zoom in up to 5 times. It is also available in Starlight, Midnight Blue, Pink, and also on red. Available 128, 256, and 512 storages. Now, those are the difference. So what does the iPhone 13 Pro for $200 has more of it? What is better? So one of this surgical grade stainless steel design, weighs 204 grams, a little bit more heavier, 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display with 1000 nits max brightness. So that means it has a better refresh rate than the iPhone 13. Now, this is where you got to think about it. Do I need all that refresh 120 hertz refresh rate on my phone? If you are the type of person, this is how I see it. If you want a phone with a higher refresh rate, is because you are either playing video games or watching a lot of movies that have a lot of bright colors. It's changing a lot, doing different things. So your screen itself is doing a lot at that moment. It's changing from one thing, it's getting darker, lighter, and it's just doing a lot. Now, if you're just browsing through the internet, going on Amazon, you're going on YouTube, and you're using your phone to do daily things, not heavy things for your screen, then the iPhone 13 probably will be a better option if you're just doing that. But if you're a gamer and you want to use this and play a lot of video games and do a lot with this phone, then probably the Pro would be a better choice for yourself. You're also getting 3 times optical zoom in, 2 times optical zoom out, 6 times optical zoom range, and digital zoom up to 15 times. So the camera is a lot better on the iPhone 13 Pro. We also have the Apple Pro RAW and night mode portraits, ProRes video recording at 4K at 36 frames per second, lidar scanner for night mode, portraits, faster autofocus in low lights, and next level AR expertise. If you're a photographer and you love to take pictures, that gives you that beautiful look when you're taking a picture during the nighttime. Let's just say you're taking it at a car that's going by and it's very dark. It's going to actually bring out the car even more, and it's going to give you more of a professional picture than what the iPhone 13 would. So if you're a photographer and you love taking pictures, I think that's a better option for you. It's all this phone is also available in Sierra Blue, Gold, Graphite, and Silver, and is available on the same options of 128, 256, 512 gigabytes, and it goes up to 1 terabyte storage options. So I told you the design is a little bigger. The iPhone Pro 13 is a little bigger than the regular iPhone 13. So if you want a bigger phone and you don't mind having a bigger phone in your pocket or in your purse, then that would be the phone for you. So what are my final thoughts about this? So if you don't mind spending the $200 on a phone that's going to give you better camera, is going to give you a better refresh rate, and overall it's just going to be slightly better, then go ahead, spend those $200. But if you want a phone that is a lot better than the iPhone 12 and is still going to be outperforming the previous version, then go ahead and save those $200. That's how I will go about it. It just depends on what feature you're looking for on either model, and it just depends if you have the money. So there you go, guys. Let me know in the comment section below which of the two are you choosing and why? Once again, thank you for watching the videos. This is Tron, and I will see you guys on the next Tech Needs video.